Hello, I'm Miss Shelby Baylor, and welcome to my ePortfolio. I will go ahead and apologize because I have been sick the last few days, so my voice might crack or experience difficulties. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that out there. But again, welcome to my ePortfolio page. This is the home page that kind of gives you an overview of what the ePortfolio is. So it has an About Me, Professional Development Gallery, ISTE standards, and a contact that is found on the home page. And we're going to go ahead on over to the About Me page to give you a little bit more information about who I am as a teacher and who I want to be when I am a teacher. Excuse me. So, again, my name is Shelby Baylor. I plan to teach 2nd through 4th grade. I'm not looking to teach a specific subject. I like all school subjects. I am majoring in elementary education with a minor in psychology. Um, my beliefs about technology in the classroom. I believe that we're in an always advancing technological age and that we will be preparing students for jobs that don't yet exist. And so that it's very important to incorporate technology in the classroom and build computational thinking skills and digital citizenship skills and problem solving skills and all of the skills that would be necessary for jobs that don't exist yet, especially those surrounding technology. So we're going to go ahead on over to my gallery page to show you my 4 best artifacts from this class. Excuse me. The first thing is the computational thinking getting loopy lesson plan. Allison, Carly, and I created an engaging lesson plan to co-teach at Lakeview Elementary to 2nd grade. We focused on the difference between loop and repetition. This lesson was effective, efficient, and the technology enhanced the learning experience, and I would consider it a engaging lesson. Here is a copy of that lesson plan that we created. So if you were to click the download copy button, you can find it here. You can scroll through and see the work that we did together. And again, we actually taught this in a real classroom, and I thought the students loved it and they really enjoyed computational thinking and they enjoyed working with VBOTs. The second artifact I want to highlight is the problem-based learning plan that we did. Allison, Carly, and I again made a lesson plan over severe weather preparedness, and it followed the PBL structure, which is many lessons, checkpoints, and scaffolds, and a culminating activity. Again, this lesson was very effective, efficient, and the technology would have enhanced the learning experience. And we can download a copy of that so you can see really quick what it would be like to look at this lesson plan. We made this lesson plan from scratch, and it took us some time. It's a 5-day lesson plan, again, with a activity at the end. Excuse me. The third thing I want to highlight is the production activity that we did. I created an Adobe Spark video. I did it over reading fluency, which is a 2nd grade standard. The video I created included a voiceover for students hard of sight and subtitles for students hard of hearing, so there is some differentiation there. This mini lesson video was effective, efficient, and the technology enhanced the learning experience. And if we were to click this button, it would take you to the YouTube link of that video, which you can see it is 5 minutes long and very detailed. Finally, the last artifact I want to show is the digital citizenship lesson plan, which was over ABC searching. It was meant for kindergarten through 2nd grade, and a group of 4 other students and myself took an existing lesson plan and edited it to be more effective, efficient, and technologically enhanced. And again, here's that lesson plan if you were to check it out. Excuse me. The last thing I want to say is that I plan to use technology in my classroom. I'm very excited with the ideas that I've learned. I definitely want to use things that I got badges over. If that page will load. I definitely feel way more prepared for teaching kids for jobs that don't yet exist, and I am super excited to get started. Thank you.